Our Christmas in July continues, and today we have vegetable chow mein along with a collaboration.
This Christmas in July is going really, really good. We've got another awesome YouTube I'm teaming up with. My buddy from down south, Florida. CaribbeanDucks. You never heard of him? Go by and check out his channel. Awesome kid. Does all his amazing stuff. You know, he's got his backyard stuff. He goes to New York, he does videos. All his organic stuff he plants in his yard. Cooks with some nice mix of his own stuff that he does. I remember first time I saw his video, he did a gyro. I was like, how are you doing a gyro in the oven? And I really do appreciate what he's doing. Go by, show him some love. We're doing this nice collaboration. He's going to be making us some garlic pork, and I'm going to be cooking
Some vegetable chow mein.
you know, Christmas in July, so we can end it off on a New Year's. Stay tuned to this amazing, amazing collaboration.
And here's what his channel looks like, guys. So we're going to be doing the vegetable chow mein on this collab. I got lots of nice veggies in here. And you know, we use all fresh vegetables, herbs. You know, I'm going to cut up this stuff. I'm going to reach you the stove. But first, let's get the chow mein and the noodles going. So I'm going to use a 1 12-ounce pack. You know, you can see the instructions at the back of any package you buy. You can follow that. Add some salt to some boiling water. And we're just going to add a pack of chow mein to that. I usually crumble mine, but you don't have to. You can leave it as whole. And just follow the boiling instructions. Some has, you know, 8 minutes, 9, 10 minutes. All depends how you like your noodles. But we like it firm, so we go like about 8 minutes for ours. I'm just going to cut up all these vegetables whilst that chow mein is boiling. Just look at all those. Nice, delicious, fresh and green. So we're going to start first with our onion, garlic, and ginger in some sesame oil. This you don't have to overcook it. And we can add our veggies. You know, lots of nice stuff in here. I'm going to add everything in the description box of what I put into my chow mein. This is just a cheap Chinese seasoning. And there's the package on the cutting board. I'm just going to toss this around. 2 spoons works better than 1 any day. We can add our noodles. And I like to season every level of my food as I'm cooking. And of course, black pepper. Mix this up really well. I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce in a few minutes. Let's make sure this chow mein is not burning. Just a dash. And time to add our nice pimento and chive and scallions, some thyme, some marmite pork, and some cilantro. Hey guys, don't forget you can drop us a picture at our Facebook page too. Hook and Cook with Vladfam. Give it a taste. Let's make sure it's good. Yeah, it's all done. Quick, simple recipe today, guys. Look at that. Nice and delicious veggie chow mein. Remember, this is a collaboration, so my buddy's going to be making the garlic pork to go with this. And here's a clip he sent over to me with him preparing his garlic pork with lots of garlic and seasoning. So I do hope you enjoy his video along with mine. And please, if you do, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave us a comment. And as always, thanks for watching. Here are a few more videos.